Alright, this is a unknown footprint fan. This is in my grandpa's bedroom of his old house. A lot of people like this, and I just wanted to make a video of it. It's all those dust lovers right there. It's got the nice stencil I am obsessed about. Oh crap, I started with the wrong pull string, of course. Here's the light first. Pull string has seen much better days. Anyways, I'll turn it on low first. Once again, this one does not work right unless you yank on the pull string. Something's been happening with these pull chains. Pretty sure since it's been frozen in here, they don't work right. This is one of the faster ones. The bearings on it are horrible. In fact, they're actually worse now. Could probably stand a re-oiling. There we go. It worked that time. Oh, listen to those. It is happy. Let's see what high speed does. Oh yes. It does not like that. See what happens if I put it in reverse. I'm getting my fingers chopped off. But dust is gonna go everywhere. Oh, there was a startup sound. Yeah, it's pretty angry. Well, these all have seen better days, so like, yeah. So there's that one.